Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to allow only admin to send a message or to send messages on WhatsApp. So before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So in case you're an admin and you want to be the only one sending messages on the group chat which you created, so what you have to do is for you to go over to your WhatsApp and move over to the group, which is this here, and go over to the profile side. Over here is showing single family, so let me go over to the single family, and you have to scroll down, and you're going to see group permission. So let me go back to the group permission, and over here at the group permissions, this what member count. You see edit group setting, send new messages, add other members and minimum. So what you have to do is for you to just go over to where it's showing send new messages. So you just have to go there and tap on it. Go over to the green button here and tap on it. You can only be the one that will be sending message on the WhatsApp group. No other one, nobody can send message on the WhatsApp group. You will be the only one. So that's how to do it. And this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.